In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Subtasks in Jira, a robust tool that can really streamline your project management tasks. Whether you're new to Jira or looking to optimize your workflow, leveraging Subtasks can significantly enhance your project tracking and team collaboration. To get started, head over to your Jira dashboard. This is your control center where you can see all the tasks, projects, and ongoing activities relevant to you. Once you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Worked On. This section is specifically tailored to provide a detailed look at all the tasks you've been focusing on recently, ensuring you have an organized view of your workload. Within the Worked On section, you'll find a variety of tasks that you've interacted with. Choose the appropriate item related to your current work or project. This is where you'll be adding your subtasks. If you're aiming to break down your task into smaller, more manageable components, subtasks are the way to go. Upon selecting your task, you'll naturally be directed to a detailed view of your task space. In this area, you can analyze the comprehensive details associated with the task you're working with. Here's where you'll notice the option to work with subtasks. You'll see any existing subtasks listed, along with other crucial information like task status, assignees, and more. To add a subtask, you'll want to scroll down to the section specifically dedicated to subtasks. Look for the Add Subtask button, which provides a straightforward process for breaking down your tasks. By clicking this button, you can start adding a new subtask. This is particularly useful for tasks that are too complex or broad, allowing you to delegate parts to different team members or simply to better organize your approach. Now, you'll type in the details of your new subtask. It's essential to be as clear and precise as possible here. Providing a detailed description helps ensure that everyone on your team understands what needs to be done. Once you've entered all necessary information, including a brief but comprehensive title, hit the confirmation button, typically labeled Create or Add. Your subtask will now appear under the main task, helping keep your project organized and manageable. Using subtasks in Jira not only aids in keeping track of intricate tasks, but also fosters a stronger collaborative environment among your team. Easy delegation and clear visualization of smaller tasks can significantly improve productivity and task management efficiency. So that's how you can effectively manage your projects in Jira by using subtasks. Give it a try in your next project to see how it can work for you.